Hello everyone! We are Canada International Student Magazine, and today we will introduce you to the process of applying for MSP. The first thing you need to do is go to the MSP official website and start the application process. The first question will ask you if you need to apply for MSP. We clicked yes. Next, it will ask if you live in BC and have a BC address to receive mail. After that, third question asks, will the applicant be out of BC for more than 30 days in the next 6 months? For this example, we clicked no. Next, they will ask you, does the application include minors who will be leaving BC after graduation or unaccompanied minors, or if you are seeking refugee status? We selected no. To apply for MSP, you need to have the following status. The first is Canadian citizenship, second is a permanent resident, and third, if you are a temporary document holder, such as a work visa or a student visa holder. It will then ask you if you can provide a copy of the above documents when you apply. We selected yes. Verifirmacare is mostly required for family members, so for this, we selected no. Next is supplementary benefits. This includes items such as physical therapy and acupuncture. MSP will provide a certain amount of subsidy to eligible patients, but you need to meet certain eligibility criteria to apply. For more details, please refer to the following link. Generally, we recommend filling in no for students who just arrived. After that, we need to fill in personal information such as name, date of birth, gender, and more. We then need to fill in our status in Canada, whether we are working or studying. We always fill in temporary documents holder. Choose either a work visa or a student visa according to your situation. Next, it'll also verify that your document name matches your legal name. After that, we will fill in some regional information. For example, where we are from. Then it will ask you if you're moving to BC permanently. That is, if you want to live in BC for 6 months or more, we select yes. You will then need to fill in the dates you arrived in BC and the dates you arrived in Canada. Students can fill in the form according to their actual situation. After that, you will be asked again, have you been out of BC for more than 30 days in the past 12 months since you arrived in BC? For this, we selected no. It will also ask you if you have BC personal health number. We selected no. It will then ask you if you are a full-time student in BC, and we put yes for this. After filling in the application information, it'll ask you if you have a spouse. If yes, fill in yes. It'll then fill in the personal information of your spouse. If not, we filled in no. Moving on to the next question, fill in the information of the children if you have any. If not, continue. Next, we need to fill in our home address in British Columbia. Enter the complete home address, postal code, and phone number. After filling out all the personal information and home address, finally, there's an authorization form. Click the box and submit to complete the MSP application. After applying for MSP, you can also make an appointment to apply for the BC ServiceCard. This card can be combined with your driver's license and personal health number. It is also one of the ID authentications. Students can bring all the documents to ICBC to make an appointment to apply. This is the end of our video. If you are interested in our content, be sure to like, share, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next episode.